Today we're tackling an issue that a lot of you have been experiencing, not receiving your Supercell ID verification code in your email on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So you've tried to log in into your Supercell ID on your iPhone, but the verification code just isn't showing up in your email. This can be super frustrating, especially when you're eager to get back to your game. Don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. First, let's check the obvious places. Open your email app and go to your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the verification email can end up there by mistake. If you found it there, mark it as not spam to prevent this from happening in the future. Next, make sure you're correcting the email and you're entering the correct email address in the Supercell ID login. A small typo can prevent the email from reaching you. Double check your email address and try again. If it's still not showing up, you might have email filters or settings that are blocking the email. Check your email settings to ensure that you're not accidentally filtering out emails from Supercells. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Supercell support. Go to the Supercell website, navigate to your support page, and submit a request explaining the issue. They'll be able to assist you further. And there you have it, a quick fix for not receiving your Supercell ID verification code on your iPhone.